What is up, everybody? How's it going? Today is kind of a crazy day for me. We officially launched our beta test group inside of the Systems Accelerator Manager, and I now have real estate agents inside this piece of software that I built who are building, refining, creating resources, content, and systems that they can directly apply into their real estate business. And in a lot of cases, they're building things in less than 2 minutes that would have taken them hours to build. So this is just like a lightning speed concept. And the power of the Systems Accelerator Manager, I named it Sam, is that it is AI without the need for understanding or using prompts. And I realized pretty fast. This concept came to me in April. Here is the original sketch from my Moleskin notebook in April. This is what I jotted down, and this is now like live software, so it's crazy. I pulled this out just to show you, but I realized really fast that there is this need for people using ChatGPT, people using AI to be very good at writing prompts. And sometimes that's a skill that you actually have to spend a lot of time investment in. And if you're a real estate agent, maybe you feel this personally, but time is not always something that you have access to. So that's what the Systems Accelerator Manager is seeking to address. But enough on that. Today, what I want to share with you guys, I am going to dive into the Systems Accelerator Manager, but I want to show you something that I think perhaps since you found this video, you might be very interested in. So without further ado, this goes with the backstory. So just like hold on for a second. I know you're excited. I am too, but several years ago, I was working for a CRM in the real estate space called Realvolve, and I worked in their customer success, and then I moved to their sales team, and then I was running their marketing for a while before we parted ways. But while I was at Realvolve, there was a question that would come up over and over and over again from customers, and they were able to export all of their contacts and their properties and the transactions that they built in, but they were not able to export the workflows that they had created. And these workflows are basically sequential tasks that are automated into their system, right? And every workflow has a series of templates tied to it, but they were stuck in the system. And for Realvolve, it was kind of a way of keeping customers around. But for the customers, what a frustrating experience, right? Well, while I was building Sam, I just happened to stumble upon the fact that you can use Realvolve's readily available utility API, which is found in a Realvolve account's settings. And I was able to basically pull that workflow information out of users' accounts. And after I realized that, I thought, you know what? I have software now too. I would love to help you, the poor real estate agents who just want your workflows outside of the system for safe backup. And so that's exactly what I did, right? So that's what we're going to be focusing in on today. So I am inside the Systems Accelerator Manager. This is the coolest software that you could ever get your hands on. It is an AI-powered systems builder that focuses on conversions, operations, retentions, experiences. That's lead management, business operations, past client experience, and experiences that work throughout your entire business. I am able to very quickly, and this is a saved generation that I made, but in less than 3 minutes, I'm able to create custom to your business content based on what you tell the system about yourself and your business and the people you like to do real estate work with. And you can generate lots of different things. It's a really cool concept, but we are actually going to focus today on the integrations tab. So you click on the integrations tab and you'll notice I have my open API integration. That's how I communicate with ChatGPT. I also have a Zilla's integration, which is a bit of software integration, but then I have my Realvolve integration, right? And this is an homage. My business partner has nothing to do with this software, but Mark, I appreciate you building utility APIs into your software so that our softwares can now talk. I suppose they are akin now, and I'm going to see if I can't help your customers out. But you plug in your utility API within SAM, and that is found in your settings under the integration tabs in Realvolve. And then you can click on this button right here. It is called the Workflow Viewer. And what I can do is I can choose between the 3 areas of focus inside of Realvolve: contacts, properties, or transactions that you could build a workflow. For this one, I'm going to click on contacts. Now it's going to think about and it's going to reach out to my Realvolve account. I use this for my marketing still. It is going to give me a list of all of my workflows that I currently have built inside of Realvolve. Wow. That is crazy, right? But it gets crazier. So let's just go ahead and let's click on one of these. Let's see. We're going to click on this one. Now from here, it's going to think about what's going on here, and it's going to immediately pull up a list of all of the different pieces that my workflow is made out of. It's got all of the different titles, assigned tos, colors, groupings, reports, all of the different details that you've built into your workflow. You can scroll over to the right, and it's going to show you all the actions, which are all the templates. So think emails, text messages, things like that. It's going to show you if it's Google synced or not, if you have any notes. But the crazy thing is, now that it is in an Excel spreadsheet format, all I would have to do is go ahead and go over here and copy, and then I could click into, say, sheets.google, go to a blank sheet, and then from here, you know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to paste it in. And now my workflow is saved outside of Realvolve as a safe backup. I have a copy that I can look at. I can take it with me to a meeting, or I can bring it to the lake with me while I'm thinking about how I can make my workflow better. Now, what a crazy thing, right? Now, I will let you know, this is just round 1 of this. My intention, the reason why I built this is not necessarily for you to be able to copy paste them, though it's kind of a gimmicky thing because currently the Realvolve users out there don't have the ability to do that. But once I integrate this fully, we are currently in beta, as I told you guys, but once we go public, one of my very first features that I'm currently thinking about and going to start working on pretty well immediately is building into the Systems Accelerator Manager the ability for it to review this workflow, to say, oh, that's a good workflow. I like how you did this and this and this. I am able to understand this template and this template and this template. Oh, I actually think that you should add this step, and this step. And I think that this template could be written better. Do you want to generate a new template? And basically, it's going to give you tips on how to make your workflows even better. So the goal of this is, round 1, let's copy, let's paste, let's get them safe backups. Yeah, that's cool and all. But at the end of the day, Mark and his team over there at Realvolve have just created such an incredible piece of technology with this workflows engine. I want to make sure that Sam can add on top of that and do something even better for them. Now, obviously, I am pulling this data one way. I can't push it back into Realvolve. So that is something that I would have to figure out at some point. But the goal, like I said, is for Sam to be able to help you as the Realvolve user to be able to create better workflows so that you can drive a better world-class client experience for your customers. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. It's all about getting better. So this is a pretty quick video, but man, I'm just so jazzed. And I'm jazzed about the beta. I'm jazzed about us launching. I'm jazzed about this feature. I'm jazzed that you're watching this video. And I couldn't help but share with you today exactly what is going on. Now, obviously, we are officially in beta, and I'm so sorry you missed out. Shoot. But that is not a problem. If you are interested in learning more about Sam, if you're interested in getting notifications when we go public, I am going to throw a link down in the description so that you can get access as soon as we go live. And if you are wondering, it's workflowsecrets.info/Sam prep dash launch. Like I said, weird URL. I'll throw it in the description, but that is where you can sign up to get early notifications as soon as we're getting ready to go live. That way, day one, you can hop in here, you can pick up a SAM account, you can download all your workflows, you can save them for safe backup. And then as soon as I have the functionality built out, you can start leveraging SAM within your workflows to make them just so great that your clients never want to stop working with you. How's that sound? That sounds pretty good. But that's what I've got for today. I hope you're having a really great day. It's Friday. We have a weekend coming up, and I am just riding on cloud nine. So I will talk to you guys very soon, but I hope you're having a really great day.